I know that I have posted about this before, but I don't think I've actually made a video about it before. So in this video, we are going to look at few, a few, little, and a little. When should we use each one? How are they different? The first thing that we need to understand is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things that you can count. 1, 2, 3, very easily. For example, pens. I have 1, 2 pens. It's very easy to do. 1, 2. But if we have water, we cannot 1 water, 2 water, 3 water, 4. Water is uncountable. So we have countable nouns and uncountable nouns. When we use few and a few, we are using it for countable nouns. So I have a few pens, or I have few pens. First thing, few or a few basically means approximately 2 or 3, but we're not counting. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. And so then how is few different from a few? So it's the same number. It's the same amount, but your feeling about the situation is different. If your friend says, "Hey, I don't have a pen today. Can I borrow one of your pens?" If you feel like you don't have many and you don't want to give one to that person, you might say, "Sorry, I have few pens." Few, no just few means I feel like the number is very small. It's not enough for the situation. But if your friend asks you, "Can I borrow a pen?" and you say, "Sure, you can borrow a pen. I have a few pens. I can give you one." A few sounds like I feel good about the situation. I have enough, or I have more than enough. The number, even though this number is small, it's good. So few and a few are for countable nouns. Few shows that I feel uncomfortable with this number. It's not enough. A few shows that I feel comfortable and happy with this number. I have enough. So then, the same thing with uncountable nouns. And for uncountable nouns, let's look at time. So, uncountable nouns, we use little and a little. If someone says, "Hey Mike, can you help me?" and I feel like I'm really busy, I don't have enough time, I would say, or I might say, "Sorry, I have little time today. Sorry, I have very little time today. I'm quite busy. I can't help you." So, little is for an uncountable noun, and it shows that I feel like it's not enough. I don't have enough time to deal with this situation. But if someone says, "Hey Mike, can you help me?" and I say, "Sure, I'm happy to help you. I have a little time today. I can help you." A little still shows that the amount is small, but it shows that I feel comfortable with this small amount. I still feel like this small amount is enough to deal with the situation. "Can I borrow some money?" Sure, I have a little bit of money. I can give you some money." Sorry, I have very little money." So again, few and a few are for uncountable nouns. Or sorry, few and a few are for countable nouns. Few shows that I think I don't have enough. A few shows that I have enough. Little and a little are for uncountable nouns. Little shows that I don't feel like I have enough, and a little shows that I feel like I have enough to deal with the situation.